Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to sign up for the Awin affiliate program. First, all you need to do is to getting started on Awin. Go to awin.com or just simply search to Awin on Google. Scroll through the homepage to explore companies and brands available for promotions. Just simply click on Solutions for Publishers. And then after that, just simply click View our publishers' benefits and learn how you can earn by promoting products. Hit Join Now and start earning to begin the registration process. Step 2 is to start your application. You'll see two sign-up options, sign up through Instagram if applicable and manual application. Just simply click Join Awin to start the manual sign-up process. Step 3 is to enter your personal information. Fill in basic details, company name if you don't have a business or your personal name, email address, phone number, address like country, city, and zip code. Step 4 is to set up promotional details. Choose your primary region, use your analytics to determine the best region. For example, USA by default, unless targeting another specific audience. Step 2 is to select promotional type like editorial content if you create written or video content. Content creator or influencer for YouTubers, Instagrammers, TikTok creators, and more. 3 is to add your promotional URL. Just simply paste a link to your YouTube channel, website, Instagram, Pinterest, or any social media page with the content. 4 is to write a short description. Briefly describe your content type and how you plan to promote your affiliate links, and short tutorials on YouTube focus on tech and business solution. 5 is select a sector. Pick categories like business, education, entertainment, or others that align with your content. Step 5 is the final details and verification. Enter your full address and phone number for verification. Choose a verification method like invitation code if someone's referred you, an online payment, a $1 verification fee is payable via Google Pay or credit card. And check I am not a robot, agree to Awin's terms, and then click join. Step 6 is to complete your application. Once payment is processed, your account will be reviewed by the Awin team. You'll get an email confirmations once your account is approved. After approval, you'll gain access to Awin's affiliate dashboard where you can start applying for affiliate programs and generate links. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.